Are you the kind of rider that is budget conscious and really looking for an OEM quality replacement pack out there? Well, from Rekluse, we now have a new product in our manual clutch line. It's our factory replacement clutch kit. This is OEM quality. So it's not under OEM, and we're not really looking for performance over OEM. It's a direct replacement, easy install. What we got in here, you got a nice little sticker, of course. We got our pressure plate springs. We got our friction plates and our steel plates. And you got a nice soak sack to soak those frictions before you get them installed into your bike. Now again, these are OEM quality springs, OEM quality frictions, and OEM quality seals. It's a direct OEM replacement. This is for your budget conscious entry level. You know, it's budget friendly. Before you go and increase your performance up to the torque drive clutch pack or even our full system, the Apex, again, this is entry level, budget friendly, OEM quality. It's going to give you that reliability that you would expect from an OEM quality replacement clutch kit, and it comes from your favorite clutch company. So go to rekluse.com or call our customer service line if you got any more questions or want to go deeper into it. That's what we're here for. Always feel free to reach out to us. But again, you can go to rekluse.com, find these replacement packs at that budget friendly price.